Hello, this is Joanna from SRYLED Photoelectric. Today I'm going to introduce our new design S-Series flexible LED screen. The panel size is 50 by 50 cm and with the indoor P1.9, P2.9 and P3.9. The biggest difference from us is that we do the outdoor P3.9. So if you want to use it for outdoor, you can choose it. The module size is 25 by 25 cm, and this smaller module size will save the cost of the maintenance because you only need to take off the smaller one and replace the new module. The weight of the panel is 7 kg and the thickness is 8 cm, including the power supply box. The adjustable degree is plus or minus 90 degrees. This is the biggest degrees can be adjusted currently in the industry, and you can only make 4 pieces panel to make the smallest circle with the diameter 64 cm. And we do the hardboard connection. This will be more stable and the failure rate is smaller. This refresh is 7680 Hz, and we use the Nova style receiving card. If you want to replace the new one, you only need to twist the above and bottom screw. And if you wanna do the GOB function, we also support it. So if you are any interested in this kind of panel, please contact us.